If Telegram keeps showing an unknown error on your PC, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Telegram working again. We'll start with the basic app fixes, then move into network resets, and finally reinstall Telegram if needed. This is a simple process, and in most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem completely. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, we want to make sure Telegram is not still running in the background. Sometimes the app gets stuck and keeps an old process open, which can cause the unknown error message. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look through the list for any Telegram processes. If you see one, click it once, then select End Task. Do this for every Telegram-related process you find. After that, close Task Manager and try reopening Telegram to see if the error is gone. If Telegram still refuses to open properly, the next step is to clear the local data. This is useful when the app's cache or configuration files become corrupted. First, make sure Telegram is completely closed. Then go to the folder where Telegram stores its local files and configuration data. If the app fails to load its main window, these files may be causing the issue. Delete the local cache or configuration files carefully, then reopen Telegram and let it rebuild fresh data. This can often fix strange startup errors and loading problems. Now let's check Telegram's proxy settings. Sometimes an incorrect proxy configuration can trigger connection issues or unknown errors, especially if the app is trying to use a server that is no longer working. Open Telegram, go to Settings, then Advanced, and look for Connection Type. Inside that menu, make sure proxy settings are turned off or set back to default. If anything custom is enabled, disable it, save the change, and restart Telegram. This small step can make a big difference if the app is having trouble connecting. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is refresh your network settings. Start by flushing the DNS cache. To do that, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This clears out old DNS records that may be interfering with Telegram's connection. Once the command completes, move on to the next reset. Next, reset Winsock. Winsock helps Windows handle internet connections, and if it gets damaged, apps like Telegram can start behaving unpredictably. In the same administrator command prompt, type net-sh winsock reset and press Enter. After the command runs, restart your PC so the changes can take effect. This is an important step because many connection-related app issues are fixed only after a full reboot. If none of those steps work, the final solution is to reinstall Telegram completely. First, uninstall the app from your computer. Then open your browser and download the latest version of Telegram Desktop directly from the official Telegram Desktop site. Avoid using old installers or third-party download sites because you want the cleanest and safest version possible. Once the download finishes, install Telegram again and sign into your account. A fresh installation can fix damaged program files and replace anything that may have been causing the unknown error. After reinstalling, open Telegram and test it again. In many cases, the combination of ending background tasks, clearing local data, disabling proxy settings, flushing DNS, resetting Winsock, and reinstalling the app will completely solve the problem. If you had to go through all of these steps, one of them was very likely the fix, so that's how to fix Telegram unknown error on PC. I hope this guide saved you some time and got your app working again. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.